Hey guys, Noah with Stage 3 Motorsports, and we've got the Husky liner gearbox for the 15 to 18 crew cab F150s. We're gonna go ahead, throw this in real quick, show you guys how to install it. But first, make sure you head down below, hit subscribe, keep up with the videos we're gonna be putting out, and also follow us on Instagram. So the first thing you wanna do is just simply push your seats up so you can make some space, lay it in. And the box is angled upward, so you want the taller half pointed out because it fits the curvature of the seats. Now that we've got that, we're gonna grab the strap from underneath here. And this is gonna be what anchors it to the truck. So once you feed the strap through the bottom, you can run it up through the top here. And then there's a plastic clip. Go ahead and pull that through and get this nice and snug. Make sure it's pushed up against the frame. Then you can push that clip in to hold it in place and just tuck the rest of the strap out of the way. And that's basically it. Once you're done, you can release your handle, push your seats back down, and they should sit nice and flush right on top of the box. That basically wraps up the install for this Husky liner gearbox. Super simple to drop in, holds lots of stuff under the seats. Definitely really nice if you got some extra tools or equipment, camping gear. Gives you somewhere to throw it where it's not gonna be in the way. Your seats close right on top of it. And so if you want to pick one of these up for your truck, you can head down to the description below. We'll have a link for you to head over to the site. And also make sure you hit subscribe while you're down there to keep up with all of our other installs and reviews that we're going to be putting out. We'll see you guys next time.